Introducing the KIMA for Ton Mini Excavator, engineered for power precision and versatility on every job site. Featuring a robust Kubota D1703 engine and efficient hydraulic system, this machine delivers smooth digging and strong breakout force even in tight spaces. Its zero-tail design and advanced load sensing hydraulics offers exceptional maneuvering ability and control, making it ideal for urban construction, landscaping, and utility work. With durable steel tracks, ergonomic cab features, and simplified maintenance access, the KIMA for Ton Mini Excavator keeps operators productive and comfortable all day long. KIMA, strength that moves your projects forward.